With the NX to NC-Simul interface, you'll be able to automatically transfer all of your machining data from the CAM system into the digital twin environment. The first order of business is to create a coordinate system at the base of the fixturing to use as the attachment point to the machine in NC-Simul. After that, you are ready for launch using the NC-Simul icon. In the table element, right-click and add assemblies for the model and fixture elements. Under Models, identify the solids associated with both the rough stock and the part. As you select them, they will show up in orange in the 3D window. Repeat the same process for the fixturing, where you can select entire groups at the same time. Then, just select the coordinate system that you previously created at the base of the fixturing for the assembly. Toggle the CAD format to Parasolid for a more robust exported model. Under Machining Process, highlight the tool library to view all of the tools ready for export to NC-Simul, where you could individually check or uncheck any that you wish. Then, simply go to the File menu and choose to create a new project in NC-Simul. Upon executing, NC-Simul will compile the part, rough stock, fixturing, tools, and post-process program, assembling them in position on the machine table. You can individually view the setup assembly or the tool library to modify or add any features that you'd like, but ultimately, NC-Simul is ready to run the simulation, catching all of the syntax errors and collisions, ensuring that you're going to machine an accurate first piece as soon as it's put on the real machine.